Eurofighter Typhoon development aircraft number 1. We're lined up on the left main runway at Berlin-Schönefeld Airport. Reheats are in, airplane's accelerating fast, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, full back stick, 110, 120, 130, airborne. Gears travelling, smoke winders are on, and we're continuing to pull back up for a hard climbing loop, 190, 200 knots, decelerating as we go over the top, 3,000 feet here, and 130 knots, pulling down towards the runway. Airplane accelerating, rolling off the line as we go through the vertical to get some separation from the display line, pulling up, 280 knots here, about 3G, and rolling hard left. High alpha roll, the airplane corkscrews round its axis as we go back towards the runway. Hard right-hand turn now, looking out up and right for the display center and the display line, which is the main runway. There's the runway, straightening, airplane's accelerating, 280, 290, 300, pulling up at about 4G, and full back stick, full left stick for a high alpha roll towards the ground. Continuing the roll right up through the vertical and coming back over the top, about 130 knots here, 3,000 feet again, there's the runway, rolling off the line to get more separation for the next maneuver, which will be pulling us up again. Hard right roll. Another high alpha roll. Pulling the nose back up. Now looking left. 3,500 feet. 130, 140, 150 knots. Nose is coming down. The airplane's accelerating hard. Looking for the line. Airplane's accelerating down to the bottom so that we're at 500 feet on the line, 350 knots, and the reheats are out. This is all done in dry power because the airplane accelerates too quickly otherwise. 500 feet, rolling now. Left once, left twice, check. Wings level, pulling up. 5.5G up into a dry power loop. The airplane performs just as well in dry. Here we come down through the vertical, rolling to 90 degrees off the line, check. Airplane's accelerating, 280, 290, full back stick. Nose is coming up, full left stick. Round it goes through another 270 high alpha roll, 90-degree bank turn to the right to pull us back round towards the line. Airplane's accelerating hard all the way through this, 350 knots now, about 2.5G for a left-hand loaded roll. 6.5G now, it pulls the nose up hard and then buries the stick again fully back. Another high alpha roll. 3,200 feet over the top, 150 knots, pulling hard back down onto the line, looking left for the line. There's the line. Nicely lined up, check, roll, check, inverted. The airplane flies itself through this, and then a 270-degree left roll, off the line, followed by a 360 fast aileron roll into a 6G turn, full back stick, the airplane decelerating rapidly now, turns the smoke winders off and gets us ready for short finals. Decelerating all the way around finals, looking now for 135, 140 knots, 135 knots as we come down short finals, canards banging away underneath the feet, hands ready on the brake chute so that as soon as the wheels touch, chute comes out and we're down. Now.